Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi class, welcome back to English Time with me, Miss Arum. Today we're going to continue Julian's story. So this is Julian's story, part 3. Here is our today's agenda. First, we're going to see Julian's predictions. Julian worries a lot. He makes a lot of predictions about something he's never done before. And second, we'll go to grammar of the day. What's your grammar today? And then we'll have some practice because practice makes perfect. And after that, we're going to have more practice. The more you practice, the more perfect you become. Okay, let's find out Julian's predictions. Here is Julian. And in the last meetings, Julian said, I'm going to try canoeing. Now, the questions. Has he ever canoed? Never, right? And then, does he like canoeing? We don't know that, right? He doesn't know that either. So, what prediction that he makes from that situation? He says, I think I will like canoeing. Look at him smiling. It means that he thinks that he will like it. Okay, here is Julian again. And this time he says, I'm going to try snorkeling. Has he ever snorkeled? No, never. Does he enjoy snorkeling? We don't know that, right? And he doesn't know that either. So, his prediction is, I think I will enjoy snorkeling. Yes, look at him smiling. It means that he thinks that he will enjoy it. Alright, here's Julian again, but this time he looks scared. And he says, I'm going to try surfing. Has he ever surfed? No, never. Is he good at surfing? We don't know that, right? Because he has never surfed. So his prediction is, I think I won't be good at surfing. Yeah, look at him being scared like that. It means that he thinks that he won't be good at it. Here is Julian being scared again. And this is what he says. I'm going to try scuba diving. Has he ever scuba dived? No, never. Does he enjoy scuba diving? We don't know that too, right? So, his prediction is, I think I won't enjoy scuba diving. Yeah, look at him scared like that. It means that he thinks that he won't enjoy scuba diving. So, here is the recap of Julian's predictions. The first one, I think I will like canoeing. Second one, I think I will enjoy snorkeling. And then, I think I won't be good at surfing. And then, I think I won't enjoy scuba diving. Now, from here, you can see that there is a pattern from his predictions, right? Do you know what tense does he use for making those predictions? It's called will future. Yes, will future is used for making predictions in the future that we don't know about, that we are not sure about. Will it come true or not? We're not sure. So, as you have guessed, the grammar today is will future. Alright, now let's break down the sentence. I think is optional. Okay, so whenever you make a prediction, you can use I think or you can leave out I think. Yes, and after I think there is a subject. I is a subject, and after subject there is will or won't. After that there is a verb one, like there is a verb one. After that the complement. Okay? Now, what if I change the subject into you? The sentence is still the same. I think you will like canoeing. What about they? Still the same. I think they will like canoeing. What about we? Still the same. I think we will like canoeing. Now, what about he? Yes, still the same. So, I, you, they, we, he, she, it, Tini and Tono, Tini only, Tono only, all are the same. The will and the like do not change, okay? They don't change for any subjects. They will stay the same, okay? Now, how to make a negative sentence for will future? Easy, just add not becomes won't. Will plus not becomes won't, okay? Let's try another subject. Verb. Enjoy scuba diving. Yes, that's right. Now, what if I change the one that makes the prediction? You think, they think, we think. What about he? He thinks. Yes, she thinks, and it thinks. Okay, that's the formula of will future. Subject plus will or won't plus verb 1. That's it. Remember that. How about the questions with will future? Now let's see the yes/no questions. From this sentence, I will like canoeing. What you need to do is to just move the wheel so it will be positioned just before the subject. What is the subject? I. Yes. So the questions will be, will I like canoeing? Yes. That's the yes/no question. Okay, the answer can be yes, I will, or no, I won't. Oh, sorry. Yes, you will, or no, you won't. Okay, now let's see the WH questions. From this, these set of words, you can make a WH questions by adding will, right? Where do you add the will? Like I have said earlier, you put the will just before the subject. What is the subject of this future sentence? The subject is Julian. So where do you put will? Of course, you put will before Julian. So the question is, what will Julian do at the Sun Resort? Like that. Now let's see here, there is again Julian and his friend Jack. Okay, now what are they saying? In the first picture on the left, Julian says, I think my sister, yes, will be good at snorkeling, but I won't be any good at canoeing. Yes, that's right. And Jack says, don't worry, I'm sure the sea will be calm. It won't be rough. Yes, very easy. Changing the verb into future, will future. Just add will or won't before the verb. Okay, now the picture on the right. What does Julian say? Will there be any sharks? Yes. And then Jack answers, no, there won't be any sharks. Now, what does your book say about will future? Your book says, we can use will plus verb to make predictions about the future. to make predictions that we don't know whether it will come true or not. Okay, there may be like 50% of it will come true. Okay, so you make predictions based on nothing. Yeah, you don't have the sign to what is it to that shows you that the prediction is going to happen in the future. No, you don't have that. Okay, so you make predictions out of nothing only by using your imagination. Okay, now the sea will be calm. My sister will be good at snorkeling. Yeah, but they don't know, right? Okay, now we can add not to make sentences negative like this. I won't be trekking. Won't is from will plus not. Yeah. There won't be any sharks. How would you know that? Yeah, it's just a prediction. Now, we can ask questions with will plus verb like this. Will there be any sharks? Now let's practice, guys. Let's see. Number 1. People blah 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 glasses anymore because everybody blah 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 laser treatment to better their visions. Like I said before, it's easy to change verbs into will future. Just add will or won't. If you have not in the what is it? If you have not in the verb before the verb, it means that you need to add won't, right? Like this. People won't use glasses anymore because everybody will have laser treatment to better their visions. Number 2. It blah 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 rain a lot and we blah 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 hear this problem all over the world. Yeah. It's our prediction about the future, yeah? What does it say? It will rain a lot and we will have this problem all over the world. Now, I need you to grab a piece of paper and write down the answers for number 3 until number 9. Okay? Write the answers only. Yeah? You can pause the video and you can continue watching the video after you're done answering the questions on the piece of paper. And I will post a question in the Google Classroom. Then you can copy your answers there. Okay? First, write down the answers on a piece of paper, and after that, you're going to type the answers in the question in the Google Classroom. Okay, class? I want to make sure that you all watch this video. Now, let's move on. Okay, I think that's it. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you very much for listening to my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in another video.